Alright, what's going on YouTube? Just gonna make another quick video here. A little update to a situation I was having. Let me turn the camera. There we go. So as you guys may know, that on my Crown Vic, I had an issue with it not starting at one time, and then like I didn't have any turn signals. So I rigged this up down here to where I had a pin going in. Here it is. A pin going into the power wire on the ignition, right? And then I had a pin going into the turn signal fuse down here. And then I would just take these wires like that, right? And like that. And I'd clip them together, right? And then I'd have turn signals. And my blower motor and everything would work. And dude, camera's out of focus. I don't know why I didn't check. I thought I checked the fuses, but apparently I must not have checked both blades on one of the fuses. Because just recently I was at a gas station, was talking to another dude with a Crown Vic, and anyways, I was showing him something, and then my car, when I turned it off, it wouldn't turn back on. And I was like, what the hell? I just wouldn't get anything. I had no power going to the ignition, that red ignition wire that goes to the ignition switch. So what I ended up doing initially was hooking up jumper cables to the battery, right? And I ran the jumper cables through the door, and I ran them down to that wire, right? Because there was no power at all when I would turn the key. There was no power going to that red wire back there. That red wire is your hot wire for your ignition. Without power to that, you don't get power for anything. Now I'm just sitting out here and I was thinking about it. I started checking the fuses again. I'm like, I thought I already did all that. But as you guys can see, just going to show you that this fuse right here was blown, and then this fuse right here, right? So I replaced that fuse. I didn't have a replacement for this one. So until I get to somewhere where I can buy one, I just put a little bobby pin in there. You know what I'm saying? You guys can see that little bobby pin down in there. So that's hot, that's hot. Now, boom. I got turn signals, it starts up everything. So, just letting you guys know, definitely check both blades on a fuse. I mean, I don't know what the hell, I thought I did that, but I guess not. But, yeah, so now I can just turn the key on. Boom. You know what I'm saying? I got turn signals, right? Crank it up. You know what I'm saying? I hear a little squeaking over there. That's probably gonna be something next I gotta do. But I mean, it runs good, you know, and I'm gonna get it to go get, definitely I'm gonna replace that fuse, because I don't want to run with that without a fuse in it. But it's just a temporary emergency kind of thing, because I mean, I had jumper cables coming through the door right here, and I'd have to, basically I had to hook up this wire back up in my little configuration, and then I would hook the jumper cable down there so I'd have turn signals and everything too. So now, according to my theory, I should have my blower motor and everything working now. Let's just see. Yep, everything works. I wonder if that might just, well, I got it set to winter mode anyways. I don't know what the hell's squeaking all of a sudden, but something was squeaking. It's all good. I'll get taken care of. Anyways, that's a quick little video I wanted to make, just in case you guys might run into the same issue. Your car not starting, or you might not have turn signals, or heater, blower motor, or even power steering. I mean, when I hooked that fuse, when I hooked those wires together, it controlled power steering, turn signals, blower motor. It turned off that ABS light, all that crap. It all worked just by supplying power to this fuse, which would be that blue one right there, the number 15. And you go on the top, and it's right there. You know what I'm saying? but that controls all of it. Without that, you don't have power steering, turn signals, or anything. So, you know, I got power steering and all that. So, pretty excited. So, hopefully this might help someone. I don't know. But it's been an issue for a while. So, anyways, that's it for now. You guys take care. Thanks for watching. Please remember to subscribe if you like these videos. It'll encourage me to do more. I'd really appreciate it. Thanks.